Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 and the crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, then I'll chain 5. Now that you've chained 5 and the last chain from my hook, I'll make a slip stitch. For row 1 I will chain 1. So now right here through this small loop I'll make 10 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. To finish row 1, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll chain 1, then right there through that same chain, I'll make 2 single crochets. Through this next chain, I'll make 2 single crochet. So we continue making 2 single crochets in each chain throughout row 2. Finish row 2, right here to this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll chain 1, then right there to that same chain, I'll make 2 single crochet. Through this next chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, 2 single crochet. Through the next chain, 1 single crochet. And through the next chain, 2 single crochet. By the end of row 3, we need to have 30 single crochets. So we're increasing in every second chain for row 3. To finish row 3, right there to this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. For row 4, we will not be increasing, we'll only be working in our existing chains. So I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, 1 single crochet. In the next chain, 1 single crochet. So yeah, we'll continue making 1 single crochet in each chain throughout row 4. Row 4, right here to his first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Repeat row 4 until we have 21 rows in total. So now for row 22, I'll chain 1, then right there to the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now we need to make 24 single crochets for row 22. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So now that we have made 24 single crochets, we have 6 more chains left right here in between. So now for row 23, I'll turn my work around. I will chain 1, then through his next chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through the next chain 1 single crochet, through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet in each chain throughout row 23. Repeat row 23 until our slipper fits our foot. So we repeat this until we have 42 rows in total, and that's counting from the first row. And at this point you should try your slipper, and if it fits you, then it's time to finish off. I'm going to turn it inside out. And now with the yarn needle I'll join these two sides together. See, just like this. Fit size 7 and 8. If you want yours to be longer, just continue making a few extra rows until it fits you. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.